In this video, I will show you step by step how you can download Adobe Lightroom to your laptop for free just in few seconds. This will be quick tutorial, easy and simple for beginners who want to download Adobe Lightroom. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, I already have Adobe Lightroom app in my laptop. I'm using a MacBook and I'm going to show you how you can download it for any type of laptop that you have. Okay. So what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, okay, and you need to search for Adobe Lightroom, okay. Just search for Adobe Lightroom, click on the first link over here, okay, and it's gonna take you to this page over here to adobe.com. So what you need to do next is me show you, scroll down, okay, and as you can see you will be directly in this website. Scroll down and click over here on free trial, okay, like this, and it's gonna take you again to this page over here. Choose this free trial. You will get 7 days free trial, then you can pay $11 if you don't want. You can cancel your subscription at any time, okay. Click on continue over here and it's gonna take you to this page. Click on continue and you will be directly in this page over here. So you just need to put your card number, first name, last name, your country and your phone number, and click on start free trial, okay. Then you can start using Adobe Lightroom for free for 7 days. If you didn't like it, you can cancel your subscription at any time, okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That's how you can download Adobe Lightroom for free to your laptop, and see you in my next video.